You're not on my channel yet. Go. That way. You're still in the house.
Wait, I'm about to go outside before you start.
No.
Don't go.
After hours on the London Martinez channel. Welcome to London, motherfucker. Okay guys, today's video, I had this whole other video planned, but then, you know, quarantine. During this time, I've been doing, like we all, I'm sure, a lot of pampering at home, using up products we haven't used. So I was doing a face mask the other day, and that in combination with a glass of wine on the couch turned into this video. So you're welcome. Hey, you guys asked for this. You guys loved my drunk singing ASMR video. I kept getting asked, like, all my friends kept giving me all these crazy ideas, like drink and do this, or you can drink and do this, or drink and go work out. I'm like, it's getting out of control. So I'm gonna start like a whole new series on my channel, like Liquid London. What is that sound like? No. So in today's video, I am going to put on one of my Glam Glow masks. I got the idea because this is like a firming treatment, and when the mask is on and it's dry, your face is snatched, girl. There's no wrinkle. It is so smooth and soft, like it gets rid of texture and everything. So I'm gonna do a face mask, and then I'm gonna do my makeup on top. Okay, we'll see how this goes. So first, I need to wash off the makeup on my face because I was doing some TikToks. You know, I was working. I was busy. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I washed my face, took out my nose ring. Now I'm just doing this, take out all the last little bit of residue on the corners, you know, because I really want this to be a good spa home treatment. Maybe at the end I can peel off the mask and peel off my face. Yes. Give it to me. So I have this set from Glam Glow. I have a blue one, I have a black glitter one, I have a silver one. I think the best one under makeup, I can't believe I'm saying. I think the best one under makeup will be the pink one. I'll look like a pink Power Ranger. That's what I feel like when I do this. One of my best friends, we call each other Power Ranger. I don't know why or how that started. So Dina, that's for you. Power Ranger, what it do? Here we go. Train's coming. Yay. Oh no, shoot. I have to get this close to my eye. Oh no, my little hairs. This is hard to do with tequila. I can't get my eyebrows because I worked for every little hair I have. But on the real though, I love these masks. The second you put it on your face, you feel like tightening and lifting. It is a firming treatment mask, and they're fun to do. I've done these with my mom and everybody. I always get everybody to try these. The camera settings, it's like completely destroying the camera settings. The camera, like, I was like, I don't know what to do with myself. Okay, I'm good with that. I have to get a straw. It's a face mask tip. If you do a face mask, you just have to put a straw in your glass, so you have to open up your mouth. Okay, I'll cook for 30 minutes or when it's completely dry and even, and I'll be back. See you guys. This is a bad idea because I can barely move my face. Oh my god. So I'm back. It's been like an hour. I had dinner and everything. This thing is Smooth, done. See how you guys, I told you it was snatched, like there's no wrinkle in sight. That's why I got this crazy idea. My lips are so dry. I need to put some lip balm on. Oh my god. I can't rub my lips together. Okay, whatever. So I have my beauty blender here. I wring it with water and I really squished it because I'm afraid that water, when it hits this, it's gonna disintegrate the mask. And I don't want that. I mean, hello. I'm gonna use L'Oreal Infallible. L'Oreal is not known as like full coverage. Oh my god. I can't on myself right now. I need a drink. I can't believe this is working. I can't believe this is freaking working. Oh my god, it's like one of those half and half challenges, like quarantine me, living my best life me. It's like everything. It's snatching, it's priming my skin, it's color correcting. Oh, it's starting to break apart. Oh, we're going downhill fast. Hurry up. I've never used this much foundation in my life. Usually like 2 pumps and I'm good. And I've used like 17 already. Great. It's breaking apart over here. Shit. In the viewfinder, the little monitor, it doesn't look that bad. Like I look like normal, but in my mirror here, like it's going downhill fast. Check on your creative and your little introverted friends. We are not okay. Concealer, shall we? Some Too Faced? Get it Too Faced. I need help covering this up because my under eyes are a fluorescent pink. Oh no, it's starting to peel. Oh no! With everything, maybe that'll smooth everything out. Can you guys see, or is it too bright? I feel like I look like Billie Eilish in the camera. Oh my god, this looks so hideous. I'm over it. It looks so disgusting. Why did I think of this? Why? It's sad. I'm really trying to make this look good. It's so sad. Beautiful. Let's do some browns, shall we? Oh my god, my face. I look like something from Michael Jackson's Thriller. It's peeling all around my mouth. It's okay. I'm doing amazing. Okay, oh my god. Oh my god, my pencil slid all the way up here. It's like a slick surface. There she is. There she is. I'm so over this. I just want to peel my face off already. Sorry if you can hear that. There's like helicopters and stuff, like an intense situation happening outside or something. Welcome to downtown Orlando. Reporting live. Oh my god, I need to get moving because this is happening fast. Okay, blush. My favorite step. It fixes everything, right? My face is already pink. Sure, let me do a lip. Let me match my face. This is how they do old people makeup. Yeah, I've watched Mikey before. She does like latex and then she like scrunches it up and then they put makeup on top. Wait, I just look like I'm 104. What else should I do? Let me do some mascara. What the heck? Let's highlight, shall we? Let's shall. Yes, we shall. I just can't. I can't. I'm so over this. Because it is a disaster. It is a disaster. I don't care what highlighter. Alright guys, this is what we're dealing with. Do you see this? Look at this. This is how I actually start to take off a mask. I just like... It's probably horrible. Like, this mask gets rid of wrinkles. And then I move my face like this. And I create wrinkles. So it turns into like the crackhead games at home. Okay, let's do it. Oh no, I broke it! No! No! Oh, it went in my mouth. When I breathe, it sucks in my nose. Alright, well I was trying to make it like a pretty one-piece situation, but it's not happening. Oh my gosh, and I'm left with like awesome eyebrows. Life hack. I am done. That's a wrap. I love you guys. This is your fault. Liquid London series on my channel is your fault. I hope you enjoyed. Be safe out there. Be kind to one another. I love you guys. Bye.